The trial of Pastor Timothy Omotoso in the Port Elizabeth High Court will only resume on the 7th of October. It was postponed after Judge Irma Schoeman dismissed Omotoso's application for leave to appeal against the decision. This to allow the trial to be heard in Port Elizabeth. Omotoso's defense team had challenged the jurisdiction of the court as some of the alleged 97 sex offences were committed in various parts of the country. Our reporter Jayed-Leigh Paulse has more.
Yet another delay in the well-publicized trial. Judge Schoeman halted proceedings to allow the defense to apply for leave to appeal against her ruling at the Supreme Court of Appeal. Schoeman said there was no prospects of a successful appeal. She said the jurisdiction matter should have been raised in the pre-trial conference. The judge also reaffirmed her decision about the authorization certificate signed by the previous NPA head, Shaun Abrams, saying it was sufficient with regards to the charges levelled against the accused. Schoeman also said the documents furnished to the defence by the state were sufficient to construct a defence. The defence argued that the Port Elizabeth High Court did not have the jurisdiction to hear evidence related to charges for alleged offences which happened elsewhere. It also said the authorization certificate was invalid and lacked vital information, including details of the alleged offences. When dismissing the application, Schoeman said the directive was sufficient and in line with the provisions set out in the Criminal Procedures Act. This is the second attempt to try Omotoso and his two co-accused, Zukiswa Sito and Lusanda Sulani. No witnesses have been called to testify yet. The judge in the first trial, Mandela Makahula, recused himself. It related to his ownership of a guest house through a company where certain of the state witnesses were accommodated. Omotoso remains in custody while his two co-accused are out on bail. Jayed-Leigh Paulse, SABC News, Port Elizabeth.